What is cryptocurrency and how does it work? Cryptocurrency is a digital payment system that uses cryptography to secure transactions. Cryptocurrencies don't have a central issuing or regulating authority and instead use a decentralized system to record transactions and issue new units. The first cryptocurrency was Bitcoin, which was founded in 2009. Cryptocurrency is stored in digital wallets and received its name because it uses encryption to verify transactions. Transactions including bonds, stocks, and other financial assets could eventually be traded using cryptocurrency technology. Cryptocurrency fraud is on the rise, and scams include fake websites, virtual Ponzi schemes, and celebrity endorsements. If you are planning to invest in cryptocurrencies, tips to do so safely include learning about cryptocurrency exchanges, knowing how to store your digital currency, diversifying your investment, and being prepared for the cryptocurrency market's volatility.